Well, hello. I'm in my plant room, so I have to talk loud. Anyway, we're here just to plant more onions. Yes, more onions. Because, um, it just makes sense to me to do it in stages like every month and have 3 of these going. I think I'm going to be able to fit more than 4 in here. But I'm waiting for them to come up on my other ones so I can thin them out. And, I think that's an adequate space. Now, I did find, here I'm going to take them out like I normally do, but I'm not taking a bunch of them. Because I'm only doing so many at a time. And that's too many. This should be more than enough. Because what's coming up, I'm going to thin it and try to move it. But what I have to do is put these, right now they're like under a spring room. And yes, I will get this wet. I have to move them into a summer room where it's 18 on and 6 off hours. Then they have to vegetate. When they're done vegetating, then I bring them back into my bloom room, which is 12 hours on and 12 hours off. And we're going to see if we can't fake them into thinking that they've went into fall. So what I plan to do is have onions fresh in my garden all year long. Right now I'm only doing 3 at a time though, 3 of these at a time, because I'm not sure if they're going to be as big as they say they are, because they might be smaller in the house, don't know. And it's an experiment, and I can't have bin after bin after bin full of onions. I have other things to grow too, you know. So, but I miss my onions. Since they don't keep so well for so long, then it would be nice to have them in my garden all the time. And Bro Webster, thank you so much for all of your comments. I did make this because of you. Because I want to show you something. Outdoors isn't the only option. I believe I can really do this in here. And this is how we're going to do it. So this is a really quick video. And I quit putting my bunch onions, the one I just put in there, the walla. And I quit putting my bunch onions in there because, up here, woohoo, there you have it. See, they were coming up. Yeah, I know, I put these, thank you for noticing, Bro Webster. Another one I'm doing for you there. Yes, we're going to have to move them. I'm waiting to see if they're going to get established or not. And, this is the first, no, this isn't the first one. I'll have to find that one. Hang on. This is the first one. These are the store-bought onions that I was regrowing. And see, I come in here and I spoon around it, because you're supposed to. And, can you see that? Okay. Because you want to expose the bulb. Don't know how big this is going to get because it's a store-bought onion that I redid. But I put baby onions in here. Little seedlings, and they're just now coming up. So, yeah, it looks like a mess, but these are store-bought onions I already used and try to regrow. So, if they don't work out for anything else, they work out well for my stir-fry I'm about to have. So, I like it. I like the whole thing. So, this is the first one. This is the one we just planted. This is a 5-gallon pot. And then we decided to see what would happen in the 3-gallon, and that was the second one. So, I'll be back with you when they start to really come up and we have to move them because they look like onions. Until then, you have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. And I'll speak with you soon. Bye.